This is the Nubia Z80 Ultra, a flagship that's not just built for power, but for photographers who live for the shot. Ahead of its October 22nd launch in China, Nubia has been teasing something bold, a phone that blends retro charm with cutting-edge imaging. And now it's official. Meet the photography kit, a beautifully crafted camera-style grip made from top-grain cowhide leather, complete with physical shutter buttons and a quick-attach mount for lens accessories. It's nostalgia redefined for the smartphone era. The kit even supports wide and zoom lens attachments, giving creators real tactile control, something mobile photographers have been craving for years. It's more than an accessory, it's a statement that smartphone photography deserves the feel of a real camera. At its core, the Z80 Ultra carries a triple rear camera setup, a 1.3-inch Omnivision 990 sensor paired with a 35mm equivalent lens for natural detailed shots, an 18mm ultra-wide with a 1.55-inch sensor for sweeping landscapes, and a telephoto camera offering 50x hybrid zoom with iOS for remarkable clarity even from afar. All that powered by Nubia's dedication to precision optics and advanced image processing. Flip it over and the innovation continues. No punch holes, no notches, just an uninterrupted display, thanks to Nubia's under-display front camera technology. It's the kind of sleek design that proves minimalism and performance can coexist. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset takes charge, delivering raw speed, next-level AI performance, and gaming power that rivals desktops. And with a rumored 7100 mAh battery, endurance won't be an issue. This is power that lasts as long as your creativity does. From night photography to cinematic video, the Z80 Ultra doesn't just capture images, it tells stories. Every shutter press feels intentional, every photo timeless. This isn't just another phone launch. It's the rebirth of smartphone photography through a lens of craft, nostalgia, and sheer performance.